time I see you passing by me slow, I wanna call your name just to let you know. Just one conversation, 1 second of your time, maybe it could ease my heart, maybe calm my mind. Yeah, you probably won't notice, probably won't care. You won't even see me standing right here. Even if I never get to love you, it's alright, as long as in my heart you're mine at night. We don't have to love each other, don't have to pretend. You don't even need to know who loved you in the end. I keep it to myself, locked in my heart, no matter how deep these feelings are. I don't know what to say. Won't scare you, won't scare you, won't stay. That's why I never let it start. Even if I don't get forever with you, every sweet word I say is still true. I whisper your name to the sun, confess my pain to the moon. I promise the stars I'll stay loyal, even if you never knew. I love you quietly, that's all I can do. I don't ask for your hand, I don't ask for your time. Just let me keep loving you, yeah. Somewhere inside my mind, I keep it to myself. Yeah, I keep it to myself, locked in my heart, no matter how deep these feelings are. I don't know what to say. I'm scared you won't stay. That's why I never let it start. Maybe in another life I'd be brave enough to speak, tell you how your smile is the only thing I need. But in this one, I stay silent, watching you from afar, carrying this love like a hidden scar. If loving you means letting go, I still choose you the same. Some loves are meant to be spoken, they're meant to stay a name. So if you ever feel warmth and don't know where it goes, that was me loving you in a way you'll never know. I keep it to